This is going to be a crazy announcement for all the CA final students giving you exams in May 26 or subsequent attempts. Yes, everyone. So, hello, hi, namaskaram, and good morning, students. I hope you guys are having a crazy, amazing day. If not, let us make this a crazy, amazing day, my dear warriors. Yes, everyone. So, for all CA final students who are giving you exams in May 26 or subsequent attempts, the same video is applicable for CMA final students as well. We are coming up with a power 120 hours of AFM Fastrack batch, which is going to be the AFM Question Practice Batch. Trust me, this is going to be the batch. If you are a repeater, if you have learned AFM once already, but concepts are not that clear, you have not practiced sufficient, you have given examination or you're yet to give your examination, you're not having confidence, this is going to be the batch for you. 120 hours of power packed content wherein we will understand 100% concepts logically without having the need to buy heart a single formula. Logically, we'll understand all the concepts. Solve 400 plus questions from study material, past paper, RTP, MTP. We're not just going to pick up simple Jujubi Halwa questions. We're going to pick exam level questions which have a difficulty challenge, including the recent Jan 26 exam questions. All questions till date we will be covering in the most beautiful way across 120 to 130 hours in a live, online live or recorded form. So what exactly is going to be AFM fast track or question practice batch going to be all about? Now, important caveat, this is best suited for repeaters. Sir, I'm a first time learner. Can I go for AFM fast track batch? Preferably, I would say no, because the pace of explanation is going to be much faster here. You're having AFM regular batch or exam oriented batch. First time learners, you should be going for regular or else exam oriented. But if you are a repeater, this is going to be the best batch for you. Now, 100% concepts, 400 plus questions, 0% by hearting. Okay. Now, all the details first, 100% conceptual clarity. If you know about us, you know that we teach the entire subject conceptually without having the need to buy heart even a single formula. That has been our philosophy throughout. You see CA intercosting, CA final AFM, CMA final SCM SFM, entire subject, we learn it without having the need to even buy heart a single formula. Don't trust us? Go to YouTube. Yes, demo lectures are available. Approximately 25-30 hours of demo lectures is available on YouTube. Just go to our YouTube channel, Think with Tabish, see there. You will get the belief for yourself. So the entire subject, we will learn it logically without having the need to buy heart even a single formula. Next, 400 plus questions we will be solving together. Now, how exactly is going to be the structure of this batch? Now, we'll be having two separate set of videos. One is going to be concept discussion videos, wherein we will understand concept as well as solve master example questions. These master example questions I have myself created, including all the different adjustments which have come in the examination. All those things included master questions that we will together be solving. After that, we will be having question solving videos. Say, for example, chapter 1, security valuation, equity valuation. First, we'll understand the concepts, valuation of equity shares. Then, yes, master examples also we'll be doing. Then we'll be going for question solving, wherein all questions from the question bank, majorly 95% of the questions, excluding some questions which are not very important from the examination perspective. Yes, 95% of questions together we will solve. Now, how exactly we'll be solving? Now, I have already solved properly all the questions and kept them for you guys. Okay, not in the institute style, in our own way. Yes, step by step approach, logical approach, wherein I've given all the explanation. Now, what I want you guys to do is questions from the question bank. You guys can try by yourself. But some doubts you will be having, some places you will be getting stuck, some places you want assistance, as in how to interpret. So, how exactly you can be doing is I'll be giving you guys recorded videos for that. Majorly, yes, some of question solving videos will be live, some of them will be recorded. Just 2 months back, we were recorded. Now, what you can be doing is, say, for example, question number 1. Ideally, I want you guys to read it, try it by yourselves. You got the answer? Great. Go ahead to question number. Questions will be in the systematic order. If you get stuck somewhere else, you're not getting an understanding about the question, watch the video. I will tell what exactly is the question, how exactly is the steps, what all are the steps, what all are the answers. That way, all the questions will also be done. Okay, so I will not be solving all the questions using pen and paper. It will take a lot of time. We're having 400 plus questions, students. Just think, CA final questions, the level, the extent, how big they are going to be. Each and every point, the smallest of the points, I will explain it. But question solving, it would have already been there. Yes, that file you can refer it subsequently. You guys can try it by yourselves. Now, ideally, question solving is something you should be doing by yourselves. But complete assistance for all 400 questions will be given for you. Okay, 400 plus questions. Cumulative revision. At the end of every session, we will revise. At the start of next session, we'll revise. At the end of the concept, we'll revise. At the end of the unit, we'll revise. At the end of the chapter, we'll revise. Subsequently, full revision on YouTube will also be available. So it is my duty to ensure that you guys do not forget the things. Okay. Next, we have told already it is going to be hybrid sessions, which is basically a mix of live plus record. So around 80% of sessions are going to be live, but some sessions recorded will be given. Some question solving sessions we've just recorded previously, yes, keeping in mind the AFM Fastrack batch. So for those recorded will be given. Majorly 80% is going to be live sessions. Okay. Date, it is going to be from 12th March to 5th April. 12th March is going to be the start date, 5th April is going to be the end date. Approximately, we have kept 25 days. If there is a need, 1 or 2 days buffer also, you may be keeping it on the back of your mind. Okay. Complimentary free access to 30 hours of AFM revision will be given to you guys. In the month of April, we are coming up with a 5-day revision. Face-to-face revision will happen in Chennai. If you guys want, absolutely free of cost, you can come and attend. Or else, subsequently, for the students who purchase the classes, complimentary free access to the revision videos will also be given for you guys. Okay. Then we will be having a daily assignment system as well as points. Now, solving questions by yourself is the biggest thing that you should be doing. So what we will do is daily, based on the concept that we have solved, we will be giving you guys 1 or 2 assignment questions which you compulsorily should be trying as though you're writing an examination. Now all questions will be trying, that you will be trying in rough. Daily 1 to 2 questions we will give it to you. You will attempt as though you're attempting an examination. What this does is, firstly, we will be giving you points, yes, rankers, all those things. That is going to be a motivation for you guys to do it. But firstly, presentation will improve. You are keeping on the back of your mind, in exam, how am I going to present? Point number 2, your speed will improve. Point number 3, your accuracy will improve. So this way, across 25 days, daily you will solve, daily you will practice. So by end, you will have good writing practice. So that in examination, you can solve answers fast. That is going to be a key feature of this batch, my dear students. Now, we have told this, it is going to be applicable for CMA students as well. Yes, we'll be giving you guys an index wherein we'll tell exactly which all concepts are there for CA, which all concepts are not there for CMA. Then of every unit also I'll be telling, okay, boss, this unit is not there for CMA, this unit is there for CMA, so that CMA students can also comfortably purchase this. Whatever extra chapter is they're releasing, that for that separate videos will be made available to you guys. Okay. Now, timing of the batch, we have not decided on a strict timing yet because it is fasting. So I'm fasting, so the entire month of fasting, the entire schedule would be slightly messed up. Now, otherwise, entire day I would be taking classes, say for example 10 to 6, but right now because I'm fasting, I'm not even supposed to drink water. It becomes slightly difficult, but still we will try managing and taking classes. So right now, on the back of my mind, tentative schedule which is there, it is around 10 to 6 we will have, sorry, 12 to 6 we will have classes. Okay. Then we will take a break wherein I will take a break to break the fast, all those things. 12 to 6 again breaks will be there. Then after that, 7 to 8:30 we will be keeping the class. If there is a need, in the night 1 hour also will be keeping the class. This is what is there on the back of my mind, but it is going to be completely flexible because I've told you I'm fasting. I don't know 6 hours standing, okay, shouting, explaining, that too in a much faster pace with all the energy, that too fasting, wherein I'm not even allowed to have a sip of water. I don't know how exactly it goes. So this is what is there tentatively on the back of my mind. If it becomes challenging, we will slightly shift the sessions towards the evening. Okay, wherein after breaking the fast, we'll try having a major chunk of sessions. Still not yet completely decided. It is going to be completely flexible. Daily from 12 to 50, we will be having sessions, except barring 1 or 2 days. Yes, for Eid, we'll be taking 1 day off. After that, 1 more day off could be possible. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. No. Where you should be registering? Yes, you can register yourself at www.thinkwithtabish.com, or if you're having any doubts, you can contact, yes, 83102 Now, one very important thing, to help all our repeater students who have given your best in Jan 26 exams, but you could not clear the examination, we are coming up with an additional discount. Now, the fees of AFM Question Practice Batch or Fastrack Batch, yes, is going to be 4,999. This is without books. For books, hard copy of books, it is 1,100 extra. Now, for the next 7 days, which is basically from 5th to 12th March, yes, you will be getting an additional 10% discount. Yes, if you use the coupon code AFM Mission 7. We want all our students to aim for 70 plus in the May 26 exams, irrespective of how the paper comes. I want our students to score 70 plus. For that, whatever efforts is needed from my end, I'm willing to put. Are you willing to put in your efforts? If so, AFM Question Practice Batch is the batch for you. So, what are you waiting for? Your dream marks in AFM is just one decision away. Go watch the demo lectures right now. If you feel confident, I'm sure you will feel confident. You can directly go to our website, thinkwithtabish.com, and accordingly purchase the course. Let us begin a new phase of learning logically, solving maximum, revising cumulatively, and aiming for the best in our CA final examination. Boss, remember, CA final is the last professional exam you're going to write. So have that mindset. I will give my freaking best. Irrespective of what happened in the results, you should have cleared. Exam was difficult. Forget. Freak it. Leave it. Boss, this is going to be a new chapter, the final chapter of your student journey. I want you to make it the best chapter, my dear warriors. So that's all. So see you guys for AFM Fastrack Batch. See you guys in the next video. Until then, keep studying, keep smiling, keep working hard, keep making your parents proud, and see you in the next video. Take care.